Hello everyone! So for today's video ay isi-share ko sa inyo yung mga tips na ibinibigay ko sa mga referrals ko para magka-bookings agad sila right after na ma-launch sila dito sa 5-1 Talk. This is not 100% guaranteed na magiging effective talaga sa inyong my page. Pero as to my experience at saka sa mga natanong ko ng mga trainers and coaches, ito talaga ang dapat niyong gawin para na tuloy-tuloy yung bookings ninyo. Like in my case, mga 3 to 4 days lang, nagka-bookings na ako agad. Okay. So, ito yung number 1 na binibigay ko na tips. Open 40 to 45 or more pick slots. So, di ba sa ating onboarding seminar, kukunti lang yung ipinapa-open sa atin. Pero sa aking case, right after na na-open ko na yung my page ko, dinagdagan ko na talaga ng maraming slots. Kahit na hindi pa ako ganong confident na mag-teach, talagang I grab the chance to open slots. Kahit na yung minimum slots na dapat nating i-open is only 30 pick slots, so you can have more than 30 pick slots. So, open more slots po talaga. 40 to 45 pick slots, okay na po yon. Then, don't open below the advised number of slots for you might experience less visibility to potential students. Okay, that's number 1. Number 2 naman is open slots in shift management and auto-open schedules or AOS to become more visible to regular and fixed students. Now, kung hindi pa kayo allowed to open AOS, kahit doon lang sa shift management, or if you have time, you can join trainings, mag-training kayo sa AOS, explore nyo yung My Page teachers. Huwag kayong matakot na i-open lahat ng tabs doon para naman matutunan mo yung bahay mo. Yes, yung My Page natin, yun yung ating account. So, mag-explore kayo doon. Lahat-lahat ng gusto yung matutunan regarding 5-1 Talk ay mostly nandoon na po. You have to self-explore my page. Okay. Next, number 3. Open slots in advance and plot consistent time slot schedules so that parents will see your availability. Yes, but talaga na advance kayong mag-open ng slots. So, for example, sa April, dapat mayroon na kayong open slots first cut-off and second cut-off of April. Tapos, kung nandun na kayo sa second cut-off of April, dapat mayroon na kayong advance bookings in June. Dapat palaging advance kasi yung mga parents natin, they are very busy. So, they have to plot their schedules in advance. So, nagbubook na sila ng mga teachers in advance. So, dapat talaga tayong advance mag-open ng slots. Number 4 is manage your time in conducting your classes and avoid incurring absences, late, and early leave. Okay, so as much as possible talaga teachers, iwasan natin na makapag-absent or yung mga 11th hour or last minute na mga bookings, maka-absent kayo niyan. Nako, mahirap talaga yan na case kasi malalak yung page mo or magiging lesser yung visibility mo kasi nga nagka-absent ka, nagka-late ka, nagka-early leave ka. So yun yung pinaka dapat nyong pakabantayan kasi reliability kasi ang nakasalalay doon. So if you are clear to absences, you will have higher visibility and also wala kayong mga penalties. Automatic kasi na magli-lesser yung visibility mo kasi you are not reliable. Nagka-absent po kayo. Then number 5 is to boost your account, join free trainings in Book My Training found in your teacher's portal. So, ito yung suggestion ng isang interviewer and screener. Dapat mag-join talaga agad kayo ng mga training, especially yung new teachers orientation. Napaka-importanting orientation po noon na dapat talaga nating attend. Okay? We have to really attend that one kasi you will be learning a lot from that and maybe you will be tagged na nakapag-training na kayo ng NTO. Okay? And also, marami namang mamaraan para maging performing teachers kayo sa My Page. You can also have the Learning Hub and you can also have yung mga training sa Book My Training. Yeah. And then, number 5, kasi 5 lang ito, do your best in every class you handle. Yes, dapat na performing teacher ka talaga. You have to do best na talagang makuha mo yung simpatya ng parent and the student. Dapat na are well prepared in every every class. Okay? So, liability, no absences, tapos you are performing as a teacher, talagang tataas yung visibility mo at saka magkakaroon ka ng maraming favorites. Yes, yung favorites kasi para ba siyang equivalent ng nilike at finalo ka ng isang parent or student kasi babalik at babalik na sila. Like the tenured teachers, like sa amin na case kasi syempre medyo matagal-tagal na kami sa platform, marami na kaming favorites. As we open our slots, talagang pinag-aagawan na siya. Ay, talaga pinag-aagawan na. Madali lang siyang mapuno. Yun lang talaga ang point. Kasi marami nang nag-follow sa amin, marami nang nag-favorite sa amin. Yes, so yun yung sikreto, okay? Dapat performing, reliable. Tapos of course, the technicalities, napaka-importante nun. You have your powerful laptop, headset mo, malinaw yung clarity ng inyong headset, talagang walang disruption sa paligid. Yung camera mo, very clear. Tapos, you are in a secluded, well-lit, clutter-free na space. So, those are very important factors na talagang makuha mo yung estudyante. And of course, you need to have your backups. Talagang marami kang i-consider teacher. Pero if nakaset up ka na talaga at naka-adjust ka na dito sa 5-1 Talk, nako, malaki yung kikitain mo dito sa 5-1 Talk. Especially for beginners, talagang marami talaga kayong matututunan dito sa 5-1 Talk. And then, one more thing, right after na ma-launch kayo, teachers, yung mga newly launched teachers, mas okay po na gumawa agad kayo ng self-introduction video. Kasi, the parents will look at your videos. Syempre, they will glance your My Page. They will listen to your audio recordings. Tapos, titignan rin nila yung inyong video introduction. So, you might win the heart of the parents and the students. Kasi one time, while I was waiting for my student, naka-on na yung kanyang camera. Tapos, naririnig ko yung parent na parang namimili siya na teacher kasi naririnig ko yung mga videos ng mga teachers. Yes. So, yun. If you have your introduction video, that is also one factor na magka-bookings kayo. So, I hope nakatulong itong mga tips ko. If you still have more tips to share, mga teachers, kung nakita niyo itong video na to, please share it down below para naman matulungan natin yung mga newly hired teachers. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and heart this video. Bye-bye!